Today, I'm walking to HomeGoods to show you the summer decoration for this year 2025. Oh my God, you will adore all these outdoor finds! HomeGoods has an A+ for all the awesome decoration that they bring for this season. Flower arrangements for all likes can be found in this store. Look at all those pots and fountains. Don't you think they are beautiful? Flowers, flowers, and more flowers. You can find any kind, color, or size that you prefer to create a beautiful spring-summer area. Also, you can find outdoor lighting for gardens, pathways, and driveways. Outdoor summer decoration can transform your space into a relaxing, festive vibe. Here you can find whatever you need. Here are some stunning finds to decorate spaces inside your home. And these are my favorites. Look at that. Look how elegant are those flower jars. If you like to decorate with nautical and fish theme, HomeGoods gives you many options. What do you think of all these decorations? Tell me in the comments. Also give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned, watch the video to the end. More awesome items and decorations are coming.